Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. I want to say welcome to my new supporters and my returning supporters as well. You're very welcome. This video is an unboxing video. I just got my Untitled Cutlery Colombian Raptor Machete, and that one is what I'm gonna unbox today. So I got it wrapped in this. So shall we dig into it? My Leatherman Wave. Let's see. How this one looks like. And as you see, I'm outside this time. Actually, they have wrapped this well. That's good. That is good that they wrap things well. It's a terrible when they don't, because if they don't, it is the item you order is not that protected. So now it looks like this. So I think we cut this in the top, I believe. Bubble wrap, which is pretty awesome, and that stuck pretty well. Okay. Now, this is the machete. So, and you get this from them as a little pamphlet, or what you want to call it. Well, it's pretty nice. Well, and now to the knife itself. It looks like this, and it's a nylon sheath with belt loop, pretty sturdy actually, and this is the best nylon sheath I have ever seen. Oh yes, reinforced stitches here, and a little ribbon here to hold this on place. Let's take this baby out. It looks like this. And you have a pretty good grip. It fits pretty well in my hand, and I can tell you, take a look at these teeth. you have on this saw on the back. And I can tell you it's really sharp, and you have a gut hook there as well, and a nice long handle, and a hole for a lanyard, and pretty good weight. I thought it would feel a little bit lighter, but it doesn't. It's pretty good weight, and it feels sharp. Actually, my impression of this is pretty good. I really like this, and the flat tip here, I don't know what that is used for, but why they made it flat, probably to pry with. And you have the logo there. And now I'm gonna tell you right now, these guys don't sponsor me. I ordered this myself, so I'm not sponsored by United Cutlery. Okay? It's a decent knife, actually, and it fits pretty. It slides in perfectly easy, and well, it does, that one don't get far. You will not lose that one. And the specifications, I got a note on this because I can't remember the specifications on this one. Blade length 11.75 inches. Cutting edge 11.75 inches. Handle length 6.125 inches. Overall length 18 inches. Blade thickness 0.14 inches. Blade material, it is 3CR13 stainless steel. Blade style, sawback with gut hook, and blade grid hollow. Blade finish satin. Handle thickness 0.77 inches. Handle material brown ABS. Sheath nylon belt sheath. Weight 15.1 ounces without sheath. With sheath 18.7 ounces. So that is the specifications on this. But there is one thing, and I want to mention this. This you can't slip with. It's anti-slip. So if you are wet on your hands, you still have a firm grip around your handle. So that is good. And this is brown ABS. And I saw a video with Hike and Deep. They had a review on this one, and I thought I would order one myself, and I trust Stephen Bodie Ford and his wife's judgment. So I bought one myself, and I will test this knife myself, and if that fits and works well for me, I will buy one for my daughter. So guys, what do you think about a machete like this? Awesome, right? So the price for this one is $36, which is not that bad at all. It's a reasonable, fair price, so everybody can afford this one without no problem. Okay, that's all I had for today. So thanks for watching and thanks for your support. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I will put the specifications in my description box. And if you want to make a donation to my channel, you can do that on my PayPal account, and I put that also in my description box. Well, that's all I have to do for today. So until the next time, guys, stay safe, be prepared. Shadow Scout Swede out.